Uh-oh. Get Pep-Pep up. Get Pep-Pep up. Pull the blanket off. Max, over here. He's playing with that little horsey. Max. Uh-oh. Get him up. Get him up. Uh-oh. Put the toy down.
Mac.
Uh-oh.
Mac.
Get him up. Pull the blanket off.
Mac.
Hurry up. Max. Pull
Mac.
the blanket off. He's running back and forth
Mac.
with that toy in his mouth.
Here, Mac.
Come on, Max. You got the toy in your mouth. Max,
Here,
get
Max.
over here. Pull the blanket off.
Max.
Oh,
Find me.
Pep-Pep's sleeping. Wake him up.
Find me.
Wake him up. Put the toy down.
Find me.
Oh, Max, put the toy down. Maxie. Wake him up. Wake him up.
Find me.
Uh-oh. Put the toy down.
Find me.
He's playing with that toy. All right. Pep-Pep's going to sleep. Wake
Find
him
me.
up.
Find
Oh,
me.
gosh, good. He's doing it. Pull it back. Pull it back. Yay! He did it. He did it. Now he got his toy again. Get the toy. Where's the squirrel? Go get the squirrel. Where's your squirrel, Bubby? It's on the bed. Go. He's got his toy. What you got on, Nate? What you got on? Look at that butt. Look at that butt. Hi, Max. Hi, Max. Oh, he's got his other little toy. Oh, do you see him looking? Uh-oh. 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 He pulled it off. Yeah. Oh, he got his toy.
One jerk. You see
He
that?
got his toy. One jerk and he got it off. What you got, honey? You got your toy? You want ice cream cones? You want ice cream? Aww.